In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an ebook to your Shopify store. Selling ebooks on Shopify is a great way to offer digital products and automate instant downloads for your customers. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar and type Digital Download. This will display apps designed for selling digital products like ebooks, PDFs, guides, and downloadable files. Now look for the app called Digital Downloads by FileMonk and click on it. Next, click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions during the installation process. Simply continue through the setup prompts. After the installation is complete, click Get Started to open the FileMonk dashboard. If prompted, choose the free plan to begin selling digital products. Now, look for the Upload File option inside the app dashboard. Click Upload File and select your ebook file from your computer. Most sellers use formats like PDF or EPUB because they are easy for customers to download and read. After uploading the ebook, you'll need to connect it to a product in your Shopify store. You can either create a new product or attach the ebook to an existing product listing. Make sure the product title, description, and pricing are filled out correctly before publishing it. Once linked, customers who purchase the ebook will automatically receive a download link after checkout. To make sure everything works correctly, it's a good idea to place a test order and confirm the download process from a customer's perspective. This helps ensure buyers can access the ebook smoothly without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an ebook to Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.